So the aircon is there on the ceiling. This one is the remote, so napakainit, so let's set it to, oh, the lowest pala is 16. It's okay. And then this one is much more organized than Sarasa. And then there's a little closet here where you have your hangers. And okay, let's see if this one smells better. Mas may amoy. Kasi yung sa Sarasa is like hello. And brush. And your security box. This is for your shoes, and you have your slippers, and then lahat. Of course. Entrance, and you have your table here. I don't know if we have coffee. We have coffee kasi sa baba. Coffee cups, TV, and pen. I'm going to take it with me. So, ano to? So, Sarasa. Wala siyang pen. Yeah. Yeah. It's very clean. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for this one. Oh, this one, they didn't have it. Hindi, pati yung bottles nila talaga makikita mo nilinis. Oh, there's the tissue paper, extra the towels. The towels and towels in there properly. Folded triangularly. Yeah. It's better than... So, ayun siya. We stay here for 2 days. Then I'm going back to Tokyo and stay in a capsule, then back to Edmonton. So, kailangan ko magpahinga because I'm so hungry and I'm so tired.